G'day YouTube, how's it going? So I'm gonna try Spark delivery today. Been waiting to get onboarded for the app for about a month, I'd say. And this week I got accepted. So that the Spark app's a little bit different than the other apps, in the sense that you have to be onboarded and they don't just accept everybody all at once. I think there's some other apps like that too, but Uber Eats isn't like that. Instacart wasn't like that either. So anyway, my goal today is to complete one Spark delivery, and then give you guys my feedback and experience of doing Spark. So first things off the bat that I've noticed, I find it's a little bit harder to get at least in my area, it's a little bit harder to get the orders. Like they pop up and then they go quick. So people are taking them really quickly. So I'm gonna go and wait in the parking lot and try to accept one of the first offers that comes through, if not the first. I'm not going to be too selective about if it's a great offer or whatever, because I've noticed with the other apps that takes a bit of time to learn and understand. You have the miles to dollar ratio, which is a good starting place, but you also have to factor in how much time it's going to take to complete the order too. So anyway, yeah, let's see how this goes. Stay tuned, and as always, I got my ride or die Gracie girl with me. Just having a little nap. Hey puppers. Hopefully you can see her. Yeah, she is. Alright, stay tuned. I should also mention that on Spark, you have to pick what time slot you want to be delivering until. So it's like from the time you select it until the time that you want to stop. You have to set that ahead of time. So that's also a little bit different than at least Uber Eats and Instacart. I'm not sure about DoorDash or anything like that. So I'm pulling up at the Walmart. I'm gonna wait here to get my first offer. I'm thinking it might be like Instacart. You can watch my other video, but I just accepted the first offer to try to trigger the app to start sending me more offers. And I was thinking maybe this app wants me to be like in the area of the Walmart. So I'm pulling in now, and we'll see how long it takes before I get an offer. So the time is 2:21, and I got the app on. I'm sitting in the parking lot. So let's see how long this takes.
2 hours later.
Hey, so I finally accepted my first Spark delivery. I'm slightly late getting to it because I got impatient earlier and accepted an Instacart offer, which was actually for that Walmart that I was sitting at. So I'm out here to make money, so I might as well take it. I waited for about 5 minutes, and then I was like, you know what, I'll just accept this offer. So yeah, I'm heading to the store right now. I'm late picking it up, so hopefully the Spark's not too crazy about that. I'm only about maybe 5-10 minutes late. So yeah, I just have to drive, let them know I'm there, pick it up, and then drop it off. I'll let you know how it goes. So I accepted this offer when I was delivering my Instacart order. So I had to finish up those deliveries, and that's why I'm late, in case anybody was wondering. The sky is beautiful right now. So I'm just arriving back at the Walmart, and this one's a curbside pickup. So all I have to do is call them, let them know I'm here, and then they bring the order out, and I take it to the customer, which is pretty straightforward and easy. I might have to scan a couple things, but I think that's how it goes. So I'm waiting for the pickup. Here I was thinking I was late, and now I'm just sitting in the parking slot waiting to pick up. I'm hoping that they got my order like through the app. We'll find out, but maybe I'll give them a call. When I called, it said to do it through the app, so I did it through the app, but I thought they'd be quicker than this. Yeah, we'll see what happens. All right, so they came out. It didn't take too long, actually. I had to scan 12 bins, and then after I did that, they started loading my car. And then that was basically it. Start the delivery, easy money. I think this is like 25 bucks for 12-minute drive. It's not bad. All right. So this order has quite a few bags. Yeah, I don't know if you can see all that, but and then the trunk's full too. So yeah, hopefully this is just a house. If it's an apartment, that will be crappy. But I'm pretty sure it's just a house. So let's go. So this order has quite a few bags. The good thing is I didn't have to shop for them. I just have to deliver it, which is pretty sweet. The trunk's full too, so I'm hoping this isn't an apartment, because apartments are not fun carrying groceries in. And I don't really have a trolley or anything, which would probably be helpful. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. I actually think this might be an apartment. There's like 88 units or something, probably like 12 bags worth. Is what it is. If it takes 2 trips, it takes 2 trips. But I shall find out when I get there. One thing I wanted to mention was I thought I was going to be late for that order, and turns out, like, if you're too late with Instacart, it'll just cancel your order. It'll give you like, you got to be there by this time. If not, it'll just cancel the order. But for this one, I was 15-20 minutes late by the time I confirmed my arrival, and that didn't affect it, so that's good to know. I didn't have to rush or be stressed out or anything about getting there on time. Now, I'm sure there's a limit that happens, but yeah, it worked out this time, so sweet. It looks like kind of an apartment complex. Not too bad, but... Okay, so that was actually really easy. They met me and right at the door, so that was really helpful. And then boom. Just had to fill out the thing and order's done. So my thoughts on the experience, it was actually pretty smooth sailing. I was thinking I was gonna have to lug 12 bags through an apartment and buzz myself in and go up the elevator like 3 times, if not 4 times. So that was nice that didn't happen. Yeah, that was really easy. So for my first experience of Spark, I would give it a thumbs up for sure. Yeah, maybe I'll do some more of these videos in the future if you guys like them. Don't forget to comment on your experiences. Have you ever ordered Spark delivery or done Spark driving yourself? And yeah, like, share, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.